Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. And today's video, sorry for the kind of low lighting, it's a little late at night, so I'm doing this video a little later, but we are going to be showing you, well, I'm going to be showing you how Visible Wireless is with its 5G network. So this is Visible Wireless right there, and I'm showing you how their 5G network is and how fast it is. I have some screenshots and I have some videos of a live speed test as well, so you guys can see this. Now on Visible Wireless, if you guys don't know who that is or who they are, they use Verizon's network, and now you're not prioritized on the network, so you are on the bottom tier of priority when it comes to speed. So times of congestions, trust me, you will be seeing a lot slower speeds. Like I said, you're not having post-paid speeds at all. So just know that speeds might be a little bit slower when it comes to congestion in the tower, and you're not priority number one. So let's get into it and show you some speed test. Is going to be a quick video, guys, so check it out and let me know what you think. Like I said, let me tell you a little bit of Visible Wireless. Like I said, that you do use Verizon's towers. You're not priority on their network or anything like that. But what's cool about it is it's only $40 a month, and that includes unlimited talk, text, and data. Yep, unlimited data as well, with unlimited hotspot as well. But that is capped at 5 megabits per second speeds. So just know, but it is unlimited, which is great and useful, especially if the tower's not congested in your area. So you can't beat it for $40 a month. Like I said, you get unlimited talk, text, and data on Verizon's network. So let's see. Now, what's cool about Visible Wireless as well is they don't charge you any kind of service fee or anything like that to access the 5G network. And Visible Wireless does have access to Verizon's nationwide 5G network. So just check that out in your area. You can check their coverage map as well. But let's get into it, guys, and see what kind of speeds we get. And like I said, now there's a little small disclaimer that right on Visible Wireless's website, under 5G, does tell you that speeds cannot exceed more than 200 megabits per second down. So that is capped at that. But let's see what kind of speeds, if we can get close or more than that. So let's check it out, guys. Thank you, and hopefully you like these slideshows and video.